Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dhairya and I am currently pursuing my Masters in Psychology from Delhi University. I am also a life coach for teens and young adults, an NLP trainer, a happiness coach and a hypnopatterning expert. On this channel, I share videos around personal growth, development, progress, productivity, etc. If this is something that interests you, make sure that you subscribe. In the last video, we discussed about what goal setting is, why it's important, and what are the different types of goals that we have, which is short-term, intermediate, and the long-term goals. In this video, we will take that a little further and discuss how exactly you can set goals and make sure that you achieve them. So let's get right into the video. The number one step that you have to do is identify your goals. Identify what is it that you want to accomplish in life. आप अपने आप को अगले 1 साल में, अगले 3 साल में कहाँ देखते हो? ये चीज़ें अपने आप से पूछो. What changes do you want to see in yourself? And the second step is write them down. Write them down in as much detail as you can. If your goal is that you want to earn 20 lakhs per month by the next year, then you should also break it down in the sense that you should write down how you can achieve that target and what is it that you are required to do, what action plan is required so that you are able to meet that goal within the deadline. And believe me, a deadline is very, very important. If you do not set a deadline for yourself, you will keep stretching and you will keep saying things like I'll do it tomorrow, kal karenge, and there is no end to that. Tomorrow never comes. You have to do it today. You have to set a deadline for yourself कि इस डेट तक ये गोल अचीव हो जाना चाहिए. And then you have to review that goal every day so that आपका माइंड, आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट कर ले कि ये चीज़ इस डेट तक होने वाली है. And then they'll take action towards that goal, right? And then your subconscious mind will take action towards that goal. Now, let's learn how to create a goal plan. What is a goal plan and how do you create that? First thing is creating an action plan. Now, what is an action plan? As I've already discussed, you have to write down the specific actions that you will take. What exact actions will you take every day? ये action आप हफ्ते में कितनी बार करोगे, महीने में कितनी बार करोगे? At what time will you do this action? You have to make it very specific and very measurable for yourself so that you understand and you can track your progress, right? Second thing is that you have to learn to prioritize. Of course, there will be a lot of goals that you might have set for yourself. There will be some personal goals, there will be some professional goals, academic goals, career goals, family goals, right? The most important thing is prioritization. इन सब goals में से आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important goal कौन सा है जो आपको achieve करना ही करना है इस 1 साल में या इन 5 सालों में? For example, if you have a goal that you want to work on your physical fitness, right? That is a very vague goal. What exactly do you want to work on with respect to your physical fitness? Do you want to do yoga? Do you want to meditate? Do you want to jog? Do you want to walk? Do you want to go to the gym? What exactly is it that you want to do? If you want to do yoga, what specific asanas or pranayams do you want to do? If you want to go to the gym, what specific exercises do you want to do? That is how you have to make it easy for you, right? Because if that is a very vague goal that I want to be fit by the next year. क्या फिटनेस क्या होती है, किन एक्शंस से आप फिटनेस डिफाइन करोगे? That is the most important and most crucial thing for yourself. And then another goal for you might be that you want to earn, इतना पैसा कमाना है महीने में अगले साल तक. So you have to decide whether working on your fitness is your priority or whether working on your wealth is your priority, right? It's different for different people. You have to evaluate your life, you have to evaluate your circumstances and then make a wise choice, a wise decision कि अभी इस पॉइंट पे मुझे किस चीज़ पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है, फैमिली पर, खुद पर, फिटनेस पर, करियर पर, किस चीज़ पर. The next and the most important step that comes in that many people do not do is visualization. Visualization क्या होता है? आप अपनी आंखें बंद करोगे and you will start imagining what your future looks like, right? You will start imagining in detail what your future looks like. Who are the people around you when you have achieved that success? What are you feeling? How exactly are you feeling when you have achieved what you wanted to? What are people saying to you? What are some specific sounds that you can hear? What are some specific smells that you can smell? Is there anything specific जो उस time पे हो रहा है? Make it as detailed and add emotions to that, right? Add emotions to that in the sense कि इस point पे ये चीज़ हो रही है, मेरे आसपास के लोग कैसा feel कर रहे हैं, इस एक्शन से मेरे आसपास वाले लोगों की ज़िंदगी कितनी बदल गई है, and they're so happy at this point, right? That is how you visualize it in detail. If need be, write down a script for your life कि ऐसी life मुझे चाहिए. So you can write down a script of what exactly you want to do, what exactly you want to achieve in life, and then if you review that, on a regular basis, maybe once a week or twice a week, that can do wonders. This is something that, this is a way by which you are instilling in your subconscious mind that this is something that you want to achieve by this date. You have a deadline, you have the action plan ready, and this is how you want your life to look like. And you will soon realize that, within a month or two, as soon as you have the action plan, your brain, your mind will start to take the relevant actions. It is true and it does happen. Another very important aspect that we have to understand is that there will be obstacles. They are inevitable. There will be roadblocks. You have to identify the potential obstacles in your journey and you have to note them down, right? And understand how these can be overcome. अब अगर इस फिटनेस जर्नी में एक ऑब्स्टिकल आता है कि आप कभी बीमार हो गए, राइट? So you have to learn to adjust. You have to learn to be flexible. Do not be too hard on yourself, right? You are a human being. At the end of the day, you also need some rest, right? If you're working 24/7, नहीं चलेगा. The body gives up. So you need that rest. So you need to identify these specific obstacles. If you have a certain deadline or a target to meet for a specific month, कि इतने मुझे clients चाहिए या इतनी मुझे अपनी sales करनी है, and if something personal comes up, if a family emergency comes up, right? So that is something that will require your attention for the time being. So the other things can wait, right? So you need to learn to be flexible in your approach. Don't be so rigid कि नहीं मुझे तो यही achieve करना है, इस point पे इतना ही करना है. That's not possible, right? So it's okay to adjust your goals a little bit here and there. ऐसा नहीं कि जो 1 साल में अचीव करना था उसको 5 साल में अचीव करोगे. Yes, but 1 साल में अचीव करना था 1.5 साल में अचीव कर लोगे, 2 में कर लोगे, right? But you will eventually reach there. And it's very important that you learn to celebrate small victories or milestones, right? If you have exercised for 1 month straight and you are starting to see results, you can reward yourself. अब ऐसे नहीं कि reward करने में आप मतलब 4 brownies खा लोगे and then you're back to square one. Not rewarding yourself in that way, but maybe you can skip your routine one day and do something that you enjoy. So that is how you have to balance stuff in life. And often there will be times when you will be stuck. You will not know what to do now. कि अब मैं ऐसे पॉइंट पे आ गई हूँ जब मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि इसके आगे क्या कर सकते हैं, इसके आगे क्या किया जाए. And those are the moments when you have to be vulnerable, when you have to not hesitate to seek support. You have to seek support from relevant people. Maybe they can be your friends, they can be your family, and if need be, they can also be a therapist, a psychologist, or a coach. You don't need to hesitate to ask for help. Constantly keep reviewing your goals. That will in itself give you a boost to work towards these goals. Another very important thing that you can do is create a list of why. Why do you want to achieve that goal? Many of us have goals, but हमें ये नहीं पता होता हमें करना क्यों है, क्यों करना है, फिटनेस क्यों चाहिए, इससे किस किस को इम्पैक्ट होगा, कौन कौन पॉजिटिवली इम्पैक्ट होगा. अब आप तो होगी ही, बट आपके आसपास वाले लोग भी तो इम्पैक्ट होंगे, राइट? If you want to earn that specific amount of money, what is it that you will earn and what is it that your family will earn? Not exactly in the materialistic point of view, but you will get financial security, you will get more family time as well. आप वेकेशंस पे जा सकते हो. तो क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो इस गोल के अचीव होने से आप पाओगे? That is a very important thing, and that is something that you can write down for yourself. And if you have a list of whys, your why should be very strong. So if your why is strong enough, that in itself will give you a boost to work towards these goals. And this brings us to the end of this video. Today we discussed how exactly we set goals, right? We have to identify the goals and we have to break them down. Next, we discussed how to create an action plan for yourself. By action plan, I mean that you need to write down specific actions, set a deadline for that, and constantly review those actions and make sure that you're doing those actions, right? Then you have to prioritize which goal is more important. Is this more important? Is that more important? And then comes the point of visualization. You have to visualize yourself achieving that goal and add as many emotions, as many feelings as you can add. That is a very crucial component, right? Then we discussed about obstacles that are inevitable. They will be there, but you also have to take those into consideration beforehand, and you should know what to do if this thing comes up, right? And that is what brought me to the point that you need to learn to adjust your goals if there is a need. Do not be so rigid, do not be so harsh on yourself, because you are also a human being. You also need some time, right? That is something that's very, very important. So be flexible, celebrate small victories, celebrate milestones, and if there is a need, do not hesitate to seek support, right? I will see you very, very soon in the next video with another very interesting topic that will help you grow. Till then, take care of yourselves and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also connect with me on Instagram. I post a lot of fun and engaging content there as well. You can follow me on both my accounts @Dhairya and @brainy.banter. See you guys very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.